Hello Argonaut. I'm going to show you how to use multisig protected by ledger accounts with Algorand Defi. Hello, this is Ludo, your everyday Argonaut. So let's have some fun. AWallet is capable of doing this. So let's create new wallet. Let's call this wallet, for example, multisig with ledger and create the wallet. So we want to use we want to create a new account and we want to create the ledger account. So the ledger looks like this. I have already installed the Algorand app and it says Algorand ready. So let's connect to the ledger my first account. So this is my first account address. Let's call this account ledger account with index 0. Let's create new account and let's have the index with 17. Let's call this account ledger 17. So right now I have two ledger accounts where I can put them into multisig. So let's create some multisig account. Create multisig account. Let's have both are required for signature. In the corporate world, you probably want to have at least 3 people signing with threshold at least 2. So this is my multisig account. Let's create now some vanity account. New account, create vanity account, and let's start with for example AL. So now we have the address that starts with at AL, and we can use this account. So let's start the challenge. And now we have this account. So this account will hold our balance and we will rekey it to our multisig account. So let's find our basic account. Right now I have 50 algos at this AL account and yeah, let's make this account online. Let this account also protect the Algorand network. This is one-click solution, so that it right now the keys are generated at the server, which are sent back to the browser, and my account will be signing the transaction to the Algorand network, which approves that the server is going to protect the Algorand network with my algo balance. So my status is right now online. But let's rekey this account to our multisig account. So this is my Ricky transaction. And it has been processed by the network. So this AL account is now a multisig account with threshold of 2 with both of my ledger accounts. In the real world, two people will be using two different ledger devices, but for this demonstration I will use basically one and will simulate this process. Okay, so now we have the account which is rekeyed to the multisig. So let's do some trading. Let's go, for example, to Alamex and let's connect with Wallet Connect. So let me go to the Wallet Connect. Now let's pass this Wallet Connect string and let's make the connection. To demonstrate this, I will somehow let's do it like this, and let's connect. Connect. So immediately the Alamex has detected that I was connected to this account. So let's swap, for example, 10 algo to the Vault coin. So right now I can get for 10 algos 108 Vault coins. So let's do the swap. Swap. And let's sign the transaction. We have to opt into Vault coin first. So now we have received the request, which tell us that we want to send basically zero amount of this asset to ourselves, which is the opt-in. So let's sign this transaction. For the demonstration, let's sign first with one account and then merge this signature to second account. So let's click to sign and let's connect. Let's sign with ledger number 0 first. So at the ledger, I have information review transaction. So I will review very carefully this transaction and I will click approve. After I clicked approve, the transaction has been signed and I have to send this data to other signators. So I will copy this, put it to the notepad. So the other person also set up this account and he can create new payment and sign the proposal from you. Now I can sign with ledger 17. Let's sign it. and I have to review the transaction. You can also combine signatures in here. So let's get back to the Wallet Connect, and let's send this transaction back to the app, because it's already blue, because we have already signed this transaction. Now it's opting it to the vote coin asset. And now we have to send 10 algos, and we receive something like 108. So let's sign this transaction. Right now we have no request in here. And when I clicked here, there is new request. It says please sign individual transactions. So I have received some signed transactions from the Alamex, so I will have to sign only one transaction. So let's sign this one, and let's sign them both by ledger. Review transaction, approve. Second transaction, approve. So let's get back to the Wallet Connect, and because it's signed, I can send it already there. So let's send it back. Yeah, so I have made successfully trade from Algo to Votecoin. I have used different routes to trade. The Tinyman, PactFi, and AlgoFi. And yeah, in this video I have shown you how to create vanity account, how to rec it to multisig account, how to work with the ledger accounts, and how to use the Wallet Connect uh, with multisig account. I hope you liked it, so please smash that like button. Thank you for watching.